So we brought our beans to a slight simmer. We'll flip them to make sure all of the flavors are incorporated. And then we're going to go ahead and add this mixture to our rice. You want to do it when there's still a little bit of juice left in here, probably about 5 minutes before it's done, so about 10 minutes in. So we'll give this a stir and then put our top back on. All right, now we're going to start working on our greens. So we're going to cut garlic again. So we'll look for our little brown edges and we'll take them off. Move them back here. Go ahead and dice each one. Run our finger down the side, we'll bunch them all up and we'll go over them a couple more times to make sure that we don't have any big chunks.